Hello, everyone. Today, we're building a responsive React navbar with toggle functionality and a data file for navigation links and icons. I'll explain every step and how the data file dynamically renders links. By the end, you'll know how to create a stylish, interactive navbar. Let's get started. First, we import React, then we import useBars. It is an icon from the React Icons library that we'll use for the toggle button. Finally, links and social will contain our navigation links and social media data, which we'll use to populate our navbar. We define a functional component named navbar. ShowLinks is a state variable that toggles the visibility of our links. setShowLinks updates its value. LinksContainerRef and LinksRef are references to DOM elements. These will help us dynamically adjust the height of the links container when the toggle button is clicked. ToggleLinks is a simple function that flips the value of ShowLinks whenever it's called. This function is triggered and the toggle button is clicked. This useEffect hook runs whenever ShowLinks changes. We calculate the height of the links dynamically using getBoundingClientRect. If ShowLinks is true, the container's height is set to the height of the links. Otherwise, it's set to 0. This ensures smooth animations when toggling. The nav element is the main container for our navbar. Inside, we have a div with a class navCenter to center our content. The nav header contains a button with the class navToggle. When clicked, it triggers the toggleLinks function. The useBars icon represents the toggle button visually. Links container is the container for the navigation links. Its height is dynamically adjusted using LinksContainerRef. Inside, we loop through the links array and render each link as a list item, li, with a unique key. Each link contains an anchor, a, tag with the URL and text from the data file. Social icons is another list that renders our social media icons. We loop through the social array and create a list item for each icon. Each item contains an anchor tag linking to the respective social media page. Next we move to our data.js file. First of all we import React since we'll use JSX to define our social icons. We import specific icons, FA Facebook, FA LinkedIn, FA Twitter, from the React Icons library. These icons are pre-built SVG components, making them easy to use and customize. The links array contains objects representing the navigation links for our navbar. Each object has 3 properties. ID, a unique identifier for each link. It's important for React's key prop when rendering lists. URL, the destination URL for the link. Text, the display text for the link, e.g., home, or about. This array allows us to easily map over the data to render dynamic navigation links. The social array contains objects representing social media links. Each object has 3 properties. ID, a unique identifier for each social icon. URL, the social media page link. Icon, the JSX for the respective social media icon. These icons are React components that render scalable SVGs, making them lightweight and customizable. And that's it. We've successfully created a responsive navbar with dynamic link toggling and social media icons, using hooks like useState, useRef, and useEffect to manage state and DOM interactions efficiently. By structuring our navigation and social media data as arrays of objects, we made it easy to render dynamic lists while following good React practices like separation of concerns. Try styling the navbar to match your website's theme and experimenting with the data file to add custom links and icons. Thanks for following along, and happy coding!